If you're not strong enough to be single, you won't be strong enough to be in a relationship. Being in a relationship is temporary, and being single is also temporary. If you're not strong enough for both options, you won't be happy with either. Be strong enough to erase, let go, release, become independent, forgive, protect, and unconditionally forget that having a partner is your ultimate goal. Be strong enough to have multiple goals and objectives in life beyond just having a partner. Be strong enough to break free from the belief that you can't be happy while single, that you shouldn't remain without a partner, or that it's wrong or a failure to not have a partner. Be strong enough to realize that being unhappy is neither normal nor natural. Be strong enough to understand that happiness originates from your thoughts and habits, not from another person. Let's erase the cumulative effect of all the time and energy spent finding someone, waiting for someone, and looking for someone. Let's erase the belief, misinformation, perception, and interpretation that being in a relationship will make you happy, that a partner alleviates suffering, or that a partner owes you happiness or can make you happy. We're erasing all of this from 0 to negative infinity, 100% of the time for an infinite duration. We'll erase the notion that a partner has been the center of your happiness, along with all the lost time, peace, tranquility, hope, faith, and self-confidence. We're erasing the cumulative effect of forgetting that you should be your own source of happiness. We're also going to erase the confusion between being single and being lonely, between being single and being abandoned, and between being single and being rejected, in all possible combinations. We're going to make you strong enough to be a fulfilled single person, to live a fulfilling life with a partner, and to be content regardless of which option you choose. We're erasing the cumulative effect of having felt alone, even when in a relationship. We're going to make you strong so that being single becomes the most intense and powerful stage of your life, because you have the opportunity to choose yourself, to become strong enough to learn about yourself, to truly know yourself, to love yourself, to conquer your own heart, to know what you want, desire, and need without any doubts, strong enough to know yourself well enough to make yourself happy, strong enough to know yourself well enough to choose who you can be happy with and who doesn't stand a chance of making you happy, strong enough to distinguish between these options, 100% strong with infinite potential 100% of the time, with infinite time ahead. We're going to erase the cumulative effect of all the times you didn't know what to do with yourself, when you didn't know how to interact with others, or when you expected others to make you happy, entertain you, keep you company, take care of you, or protect you. We're going to make you strong so you can choose yourself. Put yourself first and make yourself your own priority. Strong enough not to wait for someone to make you their priority. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, with infinite time. Strong enough to be happy whether you're in a relationship or not. Strong enough to genuinely not be waiting for a partner. Strong enough not to be constantly looking around, expecting to find that partner everywhere you go. Strong enough not to go on every date or to every place thinking you'll find your partner there. Strong enough to be genuinely happy in every place you visit, to enjoy it, live it, and be present in the moment. Strong enough not to deceive yourself, not to escape reality, not to lie to yourself, to admit to yourself that you're not waiting for anyone, yet you go out with that hope. We're going to make you strong enough to achieve total neutrality, having a partner or not, being single or not, strong enough to be happy with all options, strong enough to be happy with yourself, strong enough to care for yourself sufficiently so that later you know how to care for someone else, strong enough to love yourself unconditionally despite what you have and don't have, what you've achieved and what you haven't, strong enough to fall in love with yourself. It's about the life you build day by day, the times you reinvent yourself, and even the mistakes you make. Be strong enough to have plenty of time and strong enough to use it to your advantage, to grow, enjoy, learn, and set goals and objectives. Be strong so that being with a partner is a choice, not a necessity. Let's erase the cumulative effect of all those times when being in a relationship felt like a mission. Be strong enough to set goals, objectives, dreams, plans, and envision many places you dream of visiting. Be strong enough to find your inner purpose. Be strong so that your partner becomes a teammate and travel companion, but never the sole reason for your existence and happiness. We're building strength to make the most of your single life, boost your self-esteem and self-love, helping you feel more valuable and sufficient each day. Be strong enough to set empowering goals that have direction, clarity, focus, and are realistic. Strong enough to love your own company. Strong enough to find joy and fulfillment without depending on anyone else. Strong enough to be single and at peace, feeling fulfilled. Strong enough to understand that everything is temporary, both being single and being in a relationship. Strong enough to discover countless ways to cultivate beautiful relationships. Strong enough to clearly understand how to practice self-love and maintain good self-esteem daily. Strong enough to be humble and recognize there's always room for improvement. Strong enough in your self-love to appreciate all the good things you do for yourself. Strong enough to make self-love an everyday action. Strong enough to carefully and responsibly choose what you put into your body, opting for the highest quality nourishment. Strong enough to be selective about the information you consume and the company you keep. Let's make you strong enough to carefully choose everything that comes into contact with you in your life. Be strong to become more aware of what you give to yourself and who you are becoming each day. Be strong to improve your filters for everything you do in life. Be strong to feel safe with yourself. Be strong to prioritize yourself without guilt, accusation, or shame. Be strong whether people agree or disagree with your single status. Be strong in the face of people who pressure, question, criticize, or interrogate you. Be strong to avoid getting caught up in that debilitating energy. Be strong to govern your own life and emotions, not letting others' opinions control you. Be strong to stay close to the people who love you, even if their ideas differ from yours. No criticism, no judgment, no pressure. Be strong to love your mistakes, stumbles, and romantic falls because they've contributed to your maturity. Be strong to accept that you're not perfect and strong enough not to pretend to be. Be strong enough to work on your self-love like never before. Be strong enough to be the one who gives yourself all the recognition, acceptance, value, and pleasure you deserve and who puts you first. Be strong enough to constantly become someone you admire more and more each day. Be strong enough to choose yourself every day, making it more natural and easier as time goes on. Be strong in the face of people around you who don't understand why you're happy or who can't comprehend or agree with you enjoying life without a partner. Be strong enough to let them believe whatever they want. Be strong enough not to fall back into old patterns of behavior. Be strong to honor your body, to care for it, to share it mindfully, and to feel pride and gratitude towards it. Be strong to distinguish between people who can love and those who cannot. Let's strengthen our internal and external dynamics, internal and external boundaries, and core values. Operate at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with endless possibilities. We're going to eliminate everything that hinders, limits, delays, complicates, or blocks your progress. Be strong whether you're in a relationship or single. We're erasing all weaknesses, aiming for infinity, 100% of the time with limitless opportunities. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?